Right, go in. Right, sorry. There, I actually think that was 2 pellets. Stuff's working well. Pellet on pellets. There was a few times there when the pellet was bang on the centre, but I actually think them bottom, the first shot, I'm convinced there was 2 pellets in the chamber there. My fault. Didn't even realise you could do that. But as you can see, that's bang on now. Right, what do I think of these? First impressions, I think it's absolutely brilliant. I'm hoping it stays reliable. What I have noticed, there's not a lot of tension on the spring, not like the magazine that comes with the Kral. When you're turning it, you can just feel the tension there, and it just doesn't feel it's too severe. This is nice. It's just, there's no real tension there. So when you're putting in the pellets, as you turn it around, they go in beautifully. It cycles spot on when you pulling the side lever on the gun. It's bang on. And the first shot I did there, I'm convinced, I wasn't even aware you could do that, but I'm convinced I've put 2 pellets in the chamber there, because the very next shot is, you'll see, was absolutely bang on the centre. So the gun zeroed, it's only zeroed at 12 metres, because I don't have a very big garden, so, but it was pellet on pellet. And these ones going off here, they were just me, because when I took my time, the ones on the centre dot were absolutely bang on. So, first impressions, if this thing lasts, if it's quality and it lasts, these are brilliant. So, time will tell. So, thanks for watching. See ya.